Have you ever wondered why no matter how much you earn, you always feel like your money disappears? You get paid and before you even blink, the rent, the bills, the subscriptions, the family request, all gone. And then you tell yourself, next month will be better, but it never is. That used to be me. Working hard, earning a decent salary, and still living paycheck to paycheck, stressed, guilty, and constantly wondering why I couldn't seem to get ahead. So I went all in. Over the last couple of years, I've read over 500 books on investing, thousands of articles, spoken to hundreds of real people, Africans, Caribbeans, Nigerians in the diaspora, everywhere, all trying to make our money work. And here is what I discovered. The wealthy don't have any secret formula. They just consistently avoid 5 simple habits that quietly destroy everyone else's finances. So today, I'm exposing all 5 and showing you exactly how you can break free from them. Welcome back to WealthMotley, where we talk money like family, not finance fast. Let's get straight into it. Habit number 1 is paying everybody else before yourself. Let's get real. Your paycheck comes in and immediately it's chaos. Rent, phone bills, nights out, and maybe little savings if there's something a little left. But here's the truth. The wealthy do exact opposite. They pay themselves first. That means that the moment you get paid, at least 10% of your income automatically moves into your savings or investment account. Treat it like your most important bill. Now, for many of us here in Diaspora, this is deeper than just paying bills. We're also supporting family back home, of course, which we know as black tax. It's an act of love, but if we're not careful, we end up funding everybody else's future except our own. Paying yourself first isn't selfish, it's sustainable. You can't pour from an empty cup. Building your own financial foundation is the best way to make sure that you can keep helping others long term. Now, the action step here is you want to set up automatic transfer. The same day that your salary is, move that 10, 15, or 20% straight into a high interest or high yield savings account. And before you touch anything else, automate your future. It's as simple as that. The second habit I found is normalizing bad debt. This one really hurts because it's so common. We have normalized debts that doesn't build us, using credit for clothes, for gifts, even for groceries. Here's the hard truth. If you can't pay for it in cash, you probably shouldn't buy it on credit. The average credit card interest rate right now, 20 to 25%. At that rate, the banks are quietly making a fortune off of you. And the reward points, they don't even come close to what you lose in interest. And for many in our community as well, this is also cultural. You feel the pressure to look successful, the car, the clothes, the lifestyle, especially when you live abroad. But here's the truth. Success isn't the car you drive, it's the size of your investment portfolio. It's financial peace, not financial performance. If you've got high interest debt, tackle it immediately. Use the debt avalanche or the snowball method. And from this moment, adopt the mindset. Save first, spend later. Debt is only acceptable if you build it as an asset, like a home, like an education that increases your income, or a business that earns you even more. Everything else, just skip it. Number 3, living without a financial moat. The third world killer, not having an emergency fund. Guys, your financial moat is the wall that protects your castle. Without it, one small setback, a car issue, medical bill, visa issue can send you straight into debt. You need at least 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses saved in an accessible high yield account. And let's be honest, for us, emergencies hits different. It's not just a flat tire. It might be just like an urgent flight back home, a family emergency in Ghana or something. Our moat has to be stronger because our lives are even more complex. This isn't optional, guys. This is survival. And the action step you want to do here is start with 1 month expenses. Use the pay yourself first habit and build it slowly. Once you've got 1 month covered, keep going until you hit 3 or 6. Then and only then should you actually start investing. Number 4, flying financially blind. Here's a question. Do you know exactly how much you spent last month? Like exactly to the T? Yeah. If you can't answer that without checking your bank app, you're likely flying blind. Wealthy people are obsessed with their numbers. They know their assets, their liabilities, net worth, and their cash flow. Because what you don't measure, you can't actually manage. As income rises, most people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. You make more, so you spend more. A nicer apartment, a fancier car, new subscriptions. Soon, you are earning well, but you're still broke. For many people, in and abroad, This is even trickier, managing money in 2 or 3 different currencies. You're earning in pounds or dollars, spending on supporting family in naira. It's very easy to lose track of things. The action step here is for next 1 month, track every single expense. You can use my simple budget sheet or a free budgeting app. At the end of the month, calculate your income minus your expenses. That number, your surplus, shows exactly where your wealth begins. Now, the habit number 5, treating investing like a later problem. This is a very dangerous one. Saying I'll start investing when I have more money, or when I'm not there yet, or I don't even know how to do it, I don't have enough yet. Guys, every single year you wait, you are losing the most valuable resource in the world. That's time. Let's put it in numbers. If you invest just $200 or £200 a month, starting at age 25, earning just 10% a year, you would have at least $1 million by age 65. Wait 10 years, start at 35 years, and then you would need up to $540 a month to get to that amount. The 10-year delay costs you hundreds of thousands in lost growth. And for those of us in high inflation countries like Nigeria and co, waiting to invest is even worse. Leaving your money in the bank guarantees loss. Inflation eats it alive. Investing isn't about getting rich, it's about survival. It's the only way to make sure that your money doesn't shrink over time. Your action step here is, once you get at least 1 month of emergency savings, start investing. Even if it's just £50, 100k, 5k, all of that a month in a low-cost diversified ETF like the VOO. The habit matters more than the amount. The habit is the cocoa. Start small, start smart, but start now. So there you have it, the 5 habits quietly keeping a lot of people broke. Paying everybody else first, normalizing bad debt, living without a financial muff, flying blind, treating investing as a later problem. But here is the good news, my people. These are not personality flaws, they're just habits, and habits can easily be changed. You are not your money mistakes. You are just one decision away from new ones, from better behaviors. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one habit from this list that's holding you back. Just one habit, and start to change it today. If it's debt, then make your first extra payments today to that debt. If it's paying yourself last, open your banking app right now and automate that transfer to Trading212 or Bamboo or something. If it's investing, download an investment app. Buy your first ETF. One action, just one, today. And to help you out, I have created my very simple investing ebook that helps you start out. It is linked at the top of the description. Just download it, keep it on your phone, use it as your guide, let it start you out in investing. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you committing to breaking first? Drop it in the comment section below. Let's build this movement together. Stay wealthy, stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.